friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how to change the spark plug of Royal Enfield bullet motorcycles. So this is here I am changing for my Thunderbird. It's Thunderbird tin spark. So there are two spark plugs. So one is big and one is small. When you buy that, make sure that they will even the mechanic in the spare part showroom will tell you like one is big in size, one is small. So you can see one will cost around spark plug 157, that is a bigger one. For a smaller one it is 149. The price is very nominal. So if you buy it from the service center and give it to a local mechanic, you can easily change it, or you can also easily change it. You can save that high labor charge in the showroom. So this is small spark plug, this is the bigger one actually. So let's see how to fix it in the vehicle. Now let's open and see. So yeah, you can see the package from there. Let's see which manufacturer made it. So yeah, here you can see it. It was made by Bosch. So you know Bosch is a very popular company. So it's the manufactured by Bosch automobile accessories. Okay. Now let's start assembling it. Let's see how it will be done. Now you can take the toolkit given in the bike. So then you can remove that particular spark plug like this. So it's a nut structure in the top of the spark plug, so you can easily remove it like that. Yeah, you can see now. See, so we have removed the spark plug. So now we have to put the new one. Okay, this is the old one, and we have to take the new one. Yeah, then just clean it up, then put it back. It's very simple, you can see that. Okay, yeah, then you have to carefully place inside that, then tighten it. This particular tool using for tightening is already available in the bike toolkit. You can get it from there. Okay, as you can see, once you completely tight it, then there is a cap is there, so you can put on that. See, by using that lever you can further tight it more. Okay, not too much tight but a firm tight. Then put the cap on from the battery to give the power. Okay, so this is what we done for that one. Okay, now we have to change the second one. See, so you have to remove the spark plug the same way as that. Okay, put that particular tool from your bike toolkit, then you can remove it easily. Okay, as you can see, just remove it. It's similar like what exactly we done in the last place. Okay, yeah, it is taking some time. Yeah, so the one thing we have to remember is only the bike toolkit there is some special tools, and that only can be used to remove this Enfield bike, because that has special purpose tools. See, he's trying to remove using a lever because the area is very less, the accessibility is very tough there. So after tightening properly, so as you can see, let's check it properly. Then now let's start the vehicle. We have to check whatever we did is right or not. Switch on the thing. So nothing is happening in the cranking. I have to try it again. Okay, let's see. One more. Yeah, finally it started. Now you can go for a ride. Thank you for watching.